Jim Rohn once said, "It's not what happens that determines your life's future. It's what you do about what happens." And if you're over 50, you know life happens fast, but your story isn't over. It's entering the wisest chapter. Today, we're not talking about chasing riches. We're talking about building freedom, security, and peace of mind through smart investing after 50. Let's build your second financial act. Robert Kiyosaki often says, "It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep." And after 50, that truth hits harder than ever. The goal now isn't to gamble with your savings, it's to position it. The wealthy don't just invest in assets. They invest in control. So before we talk numbers, we need to talk mindset. You're not slowing down, you're shifting gears from growth to strategy. Every dollar you own should be a soldier with a mission. Protect, produce, and multiply. As Jim Rogers likes to remind us, most people lose money because they follow the crowd. After 50, the crowd's mistake is either playing too safe or too reckless. The key is asymmetric risk, small downside, big upside. Build your fortress on 3 pillars. First, equity is still essential for long-term growth. Second, bonds or dividend stocks for steady income. And third, hard assets like real estate or commodities that hedge inflation. Diversify not just across sectors but across risk levels. Because the older we get, the more our portfolio should act like a seasoned pilot, smooth, steady, and ready for turbulence. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Jim Rohn would have said, "Discipline weighs ounces. Regret weighs tons." It's never too late because consistency beats intensity every time. Whether it's $100 a week or $1,000 a month, start now. Let time and discipline do the heavy lifting. Compounding doesn't just grow your money, it grows your confidence. Remember, it's not just about earning more, it's about keeping more. Use your 401k, IRA, or Roth accounts wisely. Every dollar you shelter from taxes is a dollar you can put to work. The wealthy know how to use the system, not fight it. Think like a strategist, not a spectator. Even the greatest investors had mentors. Kiyosaki had teachers. Jim Rogers learned from the markets themselves. A good financial advisor isn't a salesperson, they're a guide. Find one who educates, not intimidates. Someone who helps you protect what you've built and position it for the next chapter. Because at this stage, financial success isn't just about returns, it's about peace of mind. So let me ask you, are you ready to make your money work for you instead of the other way around? Like Jim Rohn said, formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. If you found value in this, give it a thumbs up. This is Reese from Powerful Individuals saying thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and join a community of people building freedom, not fear. Share your thoughts or questions below. I read every comment. Remember, it's never too late to invest wisely, but it's always too early to wait.